Hey there, fellow web creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your Squarespace sites. Today's video is all about how to remove cart from Squarespace 2025. If you're running an online store that's no longer needed or want to simplify your site by ditching the e-commerce features, this guide is perfect for you. It's a quick process that can help streamline your website and improve user experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Head over to the dashboard. That's your main hub for all site settings. Once you're there, navigate to the Commerce section. This is where all the e-commerce magic happens, but we're about to turn it off. In 2025, Squarespace has made this even easier with updated interfaces, so look for the Store Settings or Selling tab. Next, find the option labeled Store Status or Enable Store. Here, you'll see a toggle switch or button that says something like Active or Deactivate. Simply click to turn it off. This will remove the shopping cart functionality from your site. But wait, before you do that, double check if you have any active products or orders. If there are, Squarespace might prompt you to handle them first, like archiving products or completing pending sales. It's a good idea to back up your site settings just in case. After deactivating the store, head to your site's pages or design editor. Look for any cart icons or blocks that might still be visible. You can delete these by selecting the element and hitting the Remove button. Save your changes and preview your site to ensure the cart is gone. Voila, your site is now cart-free. One quick tip. If you're using custom code or third-party integrations, you might need to remove those too to fully eliminate any remnants. Always test on a staging site first to avoid disruptions. There you have it. A straightforward way to remove the cart from your Squarespace site in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more web design tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.